Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 68, algebraic expressions and identities, section A, easy. Let's start. Given that x square plus 1 upon x square equals to 53, then we have to find x minus 1 upon x. So here, always remember whenever you have to find what is asked to find, that is important. Suppose if this would have been x plus 1 upon x, then the formula would have been different. X minus 1 upon x, formula is different. So, see, this is a slide for formulas, squares and cubes. That's why I said what's asked is important. X minus 1 upon x is asked. So, a minus b the whole square. This formula you have to take. If x plus 1 upon x would have been asked, then this formula you would have taken. Okay, now a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is a square is x square plus b square is 1 upon x square minus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1 upon x. So both get cancelled, only 2 remains. So what do we get now? X minus 1 upon x the whole square equals to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Okay. Now, but we know x square plus 1 upon x square is 53. So solve this. 53 minus 2 is 51. So x minus 1 upon x the whole square equals to 51. So x minus 1 upon x will be square root of 51. It is plus or minus, but these things are not taken plus or minus in algebraic expressions. So if the answer given is plus or minus, you tick that. If it is nothing is given, then tick root of 51. Next. Solve this. 9x minus 7xy the whole square. So again the same formula. This one, a minus b the whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means 9x the whole square plus b square 7xy the whole square minus 2ab, right? Minus 2 into 9x into 7xy. Okay. So this a minus b the whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. I said I think so plus in the earlier one. So it is minus 2ab. So it's easy now. 9x means 81x square minus multiply this, you will get 126x square y plus 49. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.